Jai Hind everyone. This presentation is just to enlighten you about bookkeeping and accountancy for opting it as your sixth subject at ninth standard. See, every one of you has certain dreams, isn't it? Some of you want to become doctors, some of you want to become engineer, CA or managers. So everyone has a dream. And to achieve that dream, you have to choose a particular stream like science, commerce, or humanities after passing your class 10. Correct? But there is a misconception in selection of different streams. People have certain baseless assumptions that only by opting science and humanities they can shape a bright career. But the recent survey says that commerce has larger number of career opportunities for all, whether they are brilliant or average students. Okay, now I would like to tell you about some of the career opportunities in commerce. And these are a chartered accountant, chief executive officer, cost accountant, company secretary, marketing manager, portfolio manager, investment banker, sales manager, entrepreneur, or the hotel management, event management, and so on. Beside these, there are various job positions in public sector also, private sectors, multinational companies, including banking, insurance, finance, etc. Now the question is, why should we study commerce? There are a number of genuine reasons for the students to study commerce. Let me tell you few. First is it is highly paid. See, if I ask you who is highly paid employee in a company, undoubtedly the answer would be a manager. That is why nowadays students, after even completing their engineering or medical courses, they are pursuing MBA because they want to become a manager. In commerce, we teach management and make successful managers. Now, the second reason is applicability in real life. The subject which we study in commerce stream are not only applicable in business and corporate, but also very useful and applicable in our day-to-day life. The third reason is financial assistance. We know money is not everything, but it is very essential to get and enjoy most of the things that makes our life happy and comfortable. In commerce, you learn how to generate more income. The next reason is entrepreneurship. In commerce, we develop necessary skills and ability to become a successful entrepreneur. I'm not saying that only a commerce student can become an entrepreneur, but there is no doubt that after studying commerce, you will be having an edge over others. Now, let me tell you one more reason. It is also helpful in civil services. If you want to become an IS officer or PCS officer, you have to score better marks in general studies, and which contains questions from history, civics, geography, physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy, finance, and economics. Most of the subjects all students have studied till their class 10th standard. But again, commerce student will enjoy an edge over others as they have studied the subjects of commerce stream also. Now I want to tell you that what we study in commerce. In commerce stream, we have three major subjects at plus 2 level, that is business management, economics, bookkeeping, and accountancy. Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with maintaining books of accounts of business enterprise. Bookkeeping in broad sense is termed as accountancy, which is one of the most important subject in commerce stream. Commerce without accountancy is just like a body without soul. See, we have already concluded in the previous slides that commerce stream is one of the most career oriented stream, and this is the evergreen subject. And CBSE has also introduced elements of bookkeeping and accountancy as your sixth subject of 100 marks, which contains 70 marks of theory, project work of 30 marks, It is very interesting and very scoring subject. So my dear students, you are really lucky that your school is going to provide the opportunity to opt elements of bookkeeping and accountancy as your sixth subject. Now you can opt this subject to develop a better understanding in the field of commerce and turn your dreams into reality and get prepared to be manager of the future. I wish you all the best. Thank you.